In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get your bank statement online on ANZ. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Acquiring online bank statements on ANZ is extremely simple. You can do this process through ANZ Internet Banking or the method that I'm going to show you in this video through the mobile app. I believe doing it on the mobile app is by far the most convenient way. The only requisite is that you have the latest version of the ANZ mobile banking app installed, so if necessary, open the Play Store or the App Store and double check to see if you are running the latest version of their app. In there, you will be able to manage all of your accounts and, primarily, get your bank statements online. So, on the latest version of the app, from the home screen, tap on More as you can see over here. Immediately upon tapping More, you will see a bunch of options, and what you have to select is the option to view your statements. As long as you are signed into your account and everything is validated, you have all of your accounts attributed to it, you will be able to see the statements for each time period. When you tap on View Statements, you have to specify the account, and then you can either choose to see the latest statement at the top or browse through specific time periods. Immediately upon choosing any time period, you can browse through the statements and share them, download them as necessary. Everything will always be available for you as long as you sign into your account, choose More, and then View Statements. Like I said, you can do this at any time and choose any account attributed to your ANZ profile. Make sure you do this process on the latest version of the mobile app and that your preferences for receiving statements and notices is set to online. As long as you agree to the terms and conditions and you set it to online, when you go over to your profile settings, you will be able to receive all of your statement and notices online. I hope I was able to help you on how to get bank statement online on ANZ. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.